Hello everyone, I welcome to the session 4 on Python basics. So today we'll be covering the flow control statements such as if statement, else statement, else if statement, and while loop. So the first flow control statement is if statement. An if statement's clause, that is condition, will be executed, and it will be having a block of statements which will be executed if the statement condition is true. The clause is skipped if the condition is false. So the syntax of the if statement in Python looks like this. The first if keyword followed by the condition. It can be enclosed within a parenthesis or it can be as it is. So the condition can be an expression which are combined with the relational operator and the comparison operator, which will be evaluated down to a Boolean value. If the condition is true, then the set of statement below that if statement will be executed. So if followed by the condition and colon will be represented. So this is the if statement syntax. So we don't have any curly braces to enclose the set of statement which will be executed if the condition is true. We'll be following the indentation method. In Python, there is no curly braces to represent a block of code. So instead of that, we'll be having an indentation. So all the statements which belongs to the if statement, that will start with the same indentation. That is statement 1 and statement 2 will start with the same indentation. So the flowchart of the if statements looked like this. This is an sample code for if statement. If name is equal to the Alice, then print hi Alice. So the first start, and we have a diamond shaped where which represents the comparison or the condition. If the condition is true, then it will print hi Alice. Otherwise, it will be the program will be end. So here, if name is equal to Alice, colon will come, print hi Alice. What is the else statement? So the else statement will be having some set of instruction, that is a block. It is also called as a clause. The else clause is executed only when the if statement condition is false. The syntax of a if else statements of the flow control in Python looks like this. If condition followed by some set of statement, then the keyword else followed by a colon and some set of instructions. So we have both the clause related if the condition is true and also the clause related to the if the condition is false. Let's take the same example. If name is equal to Alice, print Alice, else you'll be printing hello stranger. We don't have any curly braces. So it starts with the same indentation. We are not supposed to start the print statement exactly below the if, then it is not considered as a part of the if. So you give some spaces. So indentation will be a little bit reduced to write the set of instructions. Start, if the name is equal to Alice, then print hi Alice. If it is false, then you'll be printing hello stranger. So this is a flowchart related to the else statement. Else if. So it provides another condition that is checked only if all the previous condition were false. At the else part, we have one more if statement to check for another condition. If condition, then some set of statements, then we have a else if. So what is else if is nothing but at else, again we are checking for one more condition, okay, where the program can check for more than one possible conditions. Then statement 3 and statement 4 will be executed. The keyword which will represents the else is ELIF. SE is missing. Let's take the same example. If name is equal to Alice, then print hi Alice. Then again at the else part, if this condition is not true, then it will come to the else. And in the else part, we have one more condition, that is one more if statement is there. And we can print you are not Alice kiddo. So what is the meaning of this is This is a nested if, or it is a ladder of if else statement. You can continue in any level. So let's look at the flow chart. We'll start from the start and the name. The user will enter the name. If the name is equal to Alice, then you will print hi Alice and it will be come out from the if statement. If the condition is false, again we have one more condition, that is age is less than 12. If the condition is true, then you are not Alice kiddo and it will be printing, you'll be coming out from the if statement and you will say end. So this is about the else if. So any level, this if else if can be continued. While loop. A block of code executes over and over again using the while statement. So in this we'll be checking for a particular condition. If the condition is true, then the same block will be executed and again. The code in a while clause will be executed as long as the while statement condition is true. The syntax of the while loop is while followed by the condition and colon, and we will be having the clause, or you can also say a block of statement. So this will be executed till the condition is true. Once the condition is false, the execution will come out from the while loop. Let's take an example. So I've taken a variable spam. Spam is equal to 0, while spam is less than 5 colon. So the condition here is spam is less than 5. We have used a comparison operator where the spam will be compared with the 5 each and every time. If the condition is true, then we'll print hello world and the spam will be incremented to +1 and again the execution will be continued. If you look at the flowchart of the while loop, it will start first, you'll be comparing is the spam is less than 5. It's true. Then the clause related to the while loop will be executed over and over. So print hello world, then spam is incremented to 1. From 0, it will become 1. And again, the execution will be continued again and again if the condition is true.